So y'all, my phone on 27%, but I just got the call to come to the 5th floor. I mean, my car is here, my man is here. And we finna go outside. So y'all, let's go see my new car. I can't believe I just sat right here and just did my makeup. I'm still trying to figure out how, like, my eyebrows. But I figured out that I don't be wanting them that bright. I tell you that much. I mean, that big. This ain't something like I like cute. I got some lashes though, y'all. So, I'ma go. Just a regular beauty supply store. Guys, like it. Please like, comment, subscribe. If you recreate this look, please tag me in it. Just get into it. Take the time. Really natural. Hold on, because I'm a little cute. to your friends, to your friends of friends, your mutual friends, to your family.
But yeah, so like, get into it. It's not bad. Hold on, let me bring it down a little bit so y'all can see. And then, and all that.
An hour, okay. On a day I'm rushing, an hour and 10 minutes. On a day when I'm taking my time,
My boyfriend gonna walk in the house like, what the fuck? And I'll be like, yeah, boy.
Extra stuff on the lids, or if
now, I'm gonna get advanced the stuff and use all that other extra shit y'all be using.
To make the time, I will say that this video is extremely detailed. I tried to be as detailed as possible. So if I didn't miss anything or if you didn't understand something, I
gotta call my friends, y'all. All right, y'all. So for the first time with me doing my makeup, I did really good. Like I am cute. And I know it's not perfect, but it's just enough for me because I'm not a makeup type of person. Last time I had makeup was prom. That was, what year is this? 2023? 22, 21, 2019. That was 4 years ago. That was 4 years ago, y'all. So I don't know, I look so cute though. And I didn't have much. I used what I could. And you know, my hair it's cute. It's gonna forever stick up because it's just long. So, and I don't get time to fight it. And I want to see how I look with the whole thing. My boyfriend never saw me with makeup on, y'all. He's seen pictures of me with makeup on, but he never saw me with makeup on. So today was just my self-care maintenance day. You know, I did my hair. I originally was gonna do the Bantu knots, but my shit is not grippable yet for me. And then I really was gonna clean my eyebrows. That was it. And I did that. I cleaned them, and then I was like, you know what, fuck it, let me try to practice doing my makeup. Girl, talk to him. You know, like, it's giving. It's really cute. My boyfriend is on the way. He got me a car, y'all. And I'm so excited to see the car. And he on his way. So I get cute and stuff like that. Even though we're not going nowhere or nothing, I might just look cute, take pictures in the car. Like, I haven't drove in months. But y'all, get into it though. When I learned how to do that foundation and setting and all that, it's up and it's stuck. Like, you see what I'm saying? Like, girl, who is that? Who that girl right there? I'm so upset because this broke. Now, I did only get it for like $5. I went to Five Below. But it was working so well. And now I have to get another one. So, yeah, y'all finna sit up here and take my 37-week photo pictures, you know. I guess I ain't had nothing else to do. He called me earlier. He was like, girl, you just doing stuff. And look what I done did. Learned how to do my makeup, the highlight. I love a little shimmer. Shimmer is cute. So, yes, so stay tuned because I'm going to show y'all my new car too. All of this is going to be in my self-care. This is my self-care, my self-maintenance, me learning how to take care of me. So yeah, y'all stay tuned because my car is on the way. So y'all, my phone on 27%. But I just got the call to come to the 5th floor. I mean, my car is here. My man is here. And we finna go outside. So y'all, let's go see my new car. I'm going to the 5th floor. This lighting looks good on me. Hi, y'all. This is my first car, and my man got it for me. Like, get to the face. Oh, shit. Look at the car. Look at my new car, y'all. Thank you, baby.
Nigga got hit in this shit and I got rich after that. I'm bitches stay, never get no get back for that.
Oh, it's so nice. I like the color. And it's not leather. Oh.